poppin'? It's your boy Cahden, Alpha Nerd, and we in it. And today's topic is, why are you not her priority? Why you not her priority, bro? Huh? Why? I'm gonna answer that question for you, and it's not the answer that you might think it is, but it's a lot of the reasons you might think it is. Anyway, before I do that, hit that like button, smash that thing. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get straight to it. Why are you not her priority? You want to know the answer to that question? The reason you not her priority is because she's your priority, bro. A lot of you dudes don't understand, bro, that females, they operate differently than guys. Break this down. Females do not think like you do. Females do not process things the same way that you do. It's different. They have a different mindset. They have a different view on things. But you keep telling yourself, if I think this girl fine enough, if I like her enough, if I show her that she mean enough to me, and I tell her enough how much I care about her and all that she gonna end up liking me even more. You know what that work for? You know who that work for? That work for dudes, bro. That's what females should be doing to you to make you like her more, bro. That's exactly who that work on. But guess what? You think that that's going to work for you, bro, and make you a priority in her life because you gush about how much you like her, bro. When actually the opposite is true. She should be gushing on you, bro, how much she like you. Because that's what's going to raise your attraction for her. When she's submissive to you, when she giving to you, when she opening up to you like that. The opposite is true for them, bro. Women want something to chase, dog. And I'm so tired of fucking telling all of y'all this same thing, bro. What do y'all want to be, bro? Y'all want to be stuck in this rat race of females thinking you good and then discarding you? Or do you want to get to the point where you have total autonomous control over all of this, bro? You got control over whether you be with a girl long term. You got control over how long you be with this girl. You got control over how many girls you want to be with, bro. You want to be in a poly relationship, you could do that, bro, because you know what you're doing. But a lot of y'all don't want that, bro. You get the advice. You start to learn. You start to get it. You listen to all these fucking channels and you listen to all this information, but you don't actually apply it, bro. And you have to apply this shit. Have to. At the end of the day, bro, you're not her priority for the simple fact that every day, you do something new to show her your high ass attraction level for, or for the guys who you keep meeting girls, but none of them stick for you. It's because you won't do the work on yourself to make yourself a high enough value male, bro. You won't learn how to understand choosing signals. If you really want to understand choosing signals, I got a video on it where I break it down, bro. Go look up my choosing signal video. AMS got a video on it. Steph probably got a video on it. And everybody else got a video on it. You not trying to understand choosing signals. I got a video on 3 questions you can ask a woman when you approach her, bro, or how to approach a woman, or how to even make the approach. I got videos on stuff like that, bro. You got to go look that stuff up on my page, bro. But it's because you don't understand what goes into attraction. You don't understand that your availability means something, and that this stuff should not be used as a technique, bro. This ain't a technique. It's a lifestyle. It's a mindset, bro. You have to get in your mind. You have to accept that you're going to take a L. A lot of you guys come to me, bro, trying to get your girl back, or trying to get some girl who friend zoned you, or trying to get and then I have that little group of guys who come to me trying to get a girl after all of that good stuff, right? And the same thing with everybody is no application of the correct things to do. You want to become the priority with her, you have to become the priority with women, bro, in general. Do you think I prioritize one girl, bro? My phone blowing up all day with text messages. And that's not to brag, bro. I'm not bragging and I don't care to brag, bro. It's simply to say, bro, when you have options, whether that's 2 options, 3 options, 10 options, when you have options, you're not going to focus just you're not going to prioritize one person and one woman. When you have the ability to re-attract other women that look just as good or better with better personalities who attraction for you higher, etc., you not going to put all of this stock in one girl, bro. So you have to get to the point where you like, okay, I'm working on myself and I am the most important person here, bro. I don't know how many times I got to harp on this, dog. I am the most important person in this equation. Out of all your relationships, out of all the women you done talked to, dealt with, got turned down by, rejected by, had success with, bro, what's the common denominator, bro? You are the common denominator. You are the thing you can change, bro. You are the thing that you can make better. You want women to start prioritizing you? Prioritize yourself. Because guess what? Women, feminine energy follows, right? Masculine energy leads. Let's break it down. If feminine energy follows and masculine energy leads, what happens when you prioritize yourself? You're the masculine energy. You're prioritizing you. So guess what feminine energy does? It follows. So now she's going to start prioritizing you. And guess what? She's in a submissive position. That's how you do that, bro. That's how you get women to prioritize you. Women in general. A lot of the girls who I've dealt with at failures, successes, etc. with, bro, my most success has been when I was focused on me. My most success has been when I wasn't focused just on one girl or I wasn't in a relationship with just one girl. And there's nothing wrong with being in a relationship with one girl, bro. You would never catch me saying there's something wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with being with one girl. But it is wrong when you have no options. When that's the only girl you could be with. When your sexual market value is 0, bro. Even in a relationship, you need to work on your sexual market value. Because she needs to feel that competition anxiety, bro. That's a real thing, bro. In sales, it's something called competition anxiety. Learn about it. That being said, the reason why she don't prioritize you is because you don't prioritize yourself, bro. I just wanted to drop that quick video because I wanted to give y'all some motivation, bro. Get the fuck up and let's go do something, my dude. Do something. You could do something today. Even if it's super small, you can do something today, bro, to just make your life a little bit better. Even if it's not picking up that damn cheeseburger and eating that cheeseburger and instead eating a healthy meal today. For some of you guys, it might be taking a shower. Do something that's going to help you today, bro. That being said, it's your boy Cahden, man. I'm out of here. That's all I wanted to say, bro. If you feel me, subscribe, bro. Like, etc.